Dad tased himself for Jay's.
What'd he do? He fall on the floor?
No, just... That's all Dad did. Try it. Dad tased me with it.
I'm not sure he wants to, but they gonna catch me on fire.
No.
You got it a second.
What would you keep doing?
Dude, change your nut.
Hell no!
Let me clean that!
Dude, if you even come close to me with that damn thing. Do it one more time. Not that, you
Do it one
dumbass.
more time for the camera.
Take yourself an ass one more time.
No!
It didn't even touch you. Bullshit.
Do it again. Hold on, let me do it.
No!
He's gonna have whoops on his ass.
Sorry. I ain't touching you. Shut up, nigga. Why would I change your stupid ass?
I know you're high.
You change your own ass. You actually changed yourself.
He tased me.
No way.
Same thing you did.
Ow. Fucking shit.
Oh, motherfucker.
This something don't look that bad.